solving a triangle, sine, angle, side. Here you'll notice that I've got side B, I have side A, and in between them I have angle C. If you're solving, then obviously I need to find angle A, angle B, and side C. Using law of cosines, if I'm solving for a side, the side that I'm missing is side C. So I want to use C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times the cosine of angle C. C squared is what we don't know, and everything else on the right-hand side I have. A is 14, so you have 14 squared, plus B, which is 12 squared, minus 2 times both of the sides that I have, which is A and B, times the cosine of the angle that I have, which is opposite of the side I'm looking for. Angle C is 42 degrees. All right, so simplifying. When I simplify on the right-hand side, I get 90.3. When you type all of that in your calculator, you should get 90.3. That's equal to C squared. So to undo my square, you're going to take the square root of both sides, and we get C is approximately 9.5. Okay, so up here, I now have all three sides. I have to find my other two angles. Once you've used the law of cosines, you can now use the law of sines to find the angles that you're missing. So if I set up my proportion, I have side C and angle C, so I'm going to set it up as sine of angle C, which is 42 degrees, over side C, which we just found to be about 9.5. And then it doesn't matter if you solve for A or solve for B, but I'm going to go ahead and solve for A first. So I'm going to say the sine of A over side A, which is 14. Well, cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I'm going to actually just multiply the 14 over to the other side. So you're going to end up with 14 times the sine of 42 degrees over 9.5 is equal to the sine of A. Because I'm looking for an angle, that means that you're going to move your sine to the other side by taking the inverse sine. Of that whole side. Over here, my sines cancel out, so that's going to give me angle A. When you type in the inverse sine of 14 times sine of 42 degrees, all over 9.5, your angle A comes out to be approximately 80.43 degrees. So angle A up here is now 80.43 degrees. Once you have your two angles, we know all three angles in a triangle have to add up to be 180 degrees. So for me to find angle B, I'm going to take 180 degrees and I'm going to subtract off the sum of my other two angles, which is 42 degrees plus 80.43 degrees. And you'll find angle B comes out to be 57.57 degrees. And that's solving all three, or solving for the three pieces that I was missing: angle A, angle B, and side C.